Omid Industrial Complex, with more than 4 decades of hands-on and practical experience in the field of pistachio processing machines, pistachio farming, and pistachio exporting, presents. In the field of pistachio processing, Omid Industrial Complex deals with designing, developing, and maintaining fully automatic machines using the state-of-the-art technology in the world. We are the pioneer in pistachio processing machines, and we also export our pistachio processing equipment to other countries. It is very important to process the pistachios within the first 24 hours after the harvest. Over the years, we have gained this precious experience to provide a line of processing pistachios which can deal with this problem easily. In this video, we are going to introduce different devices that we use in our line of pistachio processing. The ramp conveyor brings the pistachios to the side, and the first place that the pistachios meet is the separator. This machine is located in the beginning of the line, and its purpose is to decluster the pistachios and separates branches and leaves from the nuts. Also, this device peels some nuts, and in this way the loads of unwanted particles will decrease before going through the next stage, which is dry peeling, resulting in a higher efficiency of the system. The next stage is dry peeling. In this stage, 70% of pistachio nuts will be peeled using abrasion technique. The next stage is washing, scrubbing, and peeling. This device and its technique has been invented by Omid Industrial Complex, and it deals with unpeeled pistachios remained from the previous stage. A unique feature of this device is that it's highly efficient in water and energy consumption. In this part, the nuts will be separated in 2 groups using water flow and the physical characteristics of the nuts. The lighter pistachio nuts, which are normally null or half complete, will be floating on water, while the heavier ones will rest on the bottom of the basin. Therefore, the contaminated and troubled pistachios will be filtered. The outcome of this device will be the healthy and full nut pistachios. After the washing basin, a draining conveyor leads the pistachios to squeak guggir, which drains off the extra water and cleans the pistachios using a shaking screen. It also identifies the rest of the unpeeled pistachio nuts and sends them back to the beginning of the line. Then, the nuts go through a demoisturizer. This device uses indirect heat and airflow to reduce the moisture of the nuts to 18%. Once again, the pistachio nuts will go through another guggir, which is a double drum guggir. This machine uses 2 sequential stages to identify the remaining unpeeled nuts without causing any physical damage to the nuts, and then sends them back to the beginning of the line. One of the most important stages is dryer. It is important because the moisture in the pistachio can cause many problems to the final product, such as toxic fungi. With appropriate timing for drying the pistachios, the final products will be of higher quality. Our dryer is another successful innovation by Omid Industrial Complex. This device is fully automatic, and it is equipped with sensors for temperature, the volume of the pistachios, and the moisture, and it is controlled by a PLC processor. The volume of intake pistachio can be adjustable, and there is a combination of both cool and warm air. Our device uses indirect heat and airflow to reduce the moisture of the pistachios to 9%. The floating pistachios will go through nearly the same process. However, there will be 2 more stages, including null remover and needle-based separator. The null remover is a device that takes advantage of divergence in nuts while using airflow. In this way, the null nuts and particles will be removed from the original product. The specific features of this device can be its high performance and precision. The nuts are now ready to be separated. This device is a needle-based separator, and it separates open shell nuts from the closed shell nuts using microneedles. The accuracy of this device depends on the variety of the pistachios. Then, the pistachio nuts will be moved to fan-equipped silos using a vertical conveyor. These silos will be used for not only storing the products, but also for reducing the temperature of the pistachios to the room temperature. And also, the moisture of the pistachios will be reduced to 5% using airflow. Omid Industrial Complex is proud to provide a highly efficient pistachio processing line with maximum efficiency in each device. The quality of our pistachio processing line has been increased over the years of reflection and research. Our R&D department is currently working on a more environmentally friendly pistachio processing line, and we also hope to solve the problems of pistachio processors in the world by offering our services.